Today, we're unboxing the iPhone 17 and I'm really interested in seeing the actual shade of this black. So let's just open the box right away and see what's inside. First of all, the box is as boring as ever. The only thing you get in it is the USB-C cable and some papers, instructions. So let's take a look at the phone itself. And honestly, this color looks really clean. Obviously, like I said, it's not real black, it's more like graphite with this frosted matte glass on the back. Aluminum railing is also grayish, but I really like this color. Even though it is the simplest one you can get out there, I'm always kind of leaning towards just simple black minimal phones. And it's actually a shame that there's no black Pro phone this year. But yeah, as always, on the right side you have your power button and your camera control button, which I'm definitely gonna use so much and not completely forget about. And on the other side you have your volume rockers, the action button, and since this is the EU version, it still has the physical SIM tray. Now, if you're in the US and a few other countries out there, this would be non-existent. I'm honestly really looking forward to testing this phone out, because this year, in my opinion, they did an amazing job with these base models. You get the ProMotion display, finally, 120 Hz. There's a bump up in storage from 128 to 256 on the base model while still keeping the same price tag. New front-facing camera, an updated ultra-wide. It just seems like a great deal this year and like a phone that 99.999% of people should get. The only thing you're missing here compared to the Pro is basically the third telephoto lens, the Pro chip, which is a non-issue, and a faster port for data transfer. It's gonna be a full review coming out soon, as well as a bunch of other iPhone content. We're gonna be looking at the iPhone Air as well as the Pros, so definitely subscribe to the channel if you want to see that. But yeah, I absolutely love this phone. Now, the design hasn't changed that much since last year, if at all. They just kept up with the same formula here when it comes to the design, but really boosted the internals. Oh, by the way, Pitaka sent me this ultra slim sunset case for the iPhone 17. This is as close as you can get to a caseless phone while still keeping it protected. So there will be a link somewhere, I guess. This is not an official sponsorship, but they did send me a few cases to check out and I really like them, so I wanted to mention it. Let me know in the comments how you feel about the iPhone series, which of the phones are you the most excited about, and also how does the black iPhone 17 look in your opinion?